I'm getting ready right now to cut into this perfect body. So let's do it. I killed this router bit, and that's very unfortunate. Don't go too fast with the router bit. Don't ask too much of your router bit. Just take small passes. So I'm going to take my first passes with this little router bit, so I'm not going too deep. All right, now it's getting serious. Put it in the right place. It's the back of the body. Nothing can go wrong. Let's do it. Seems to work okay. No burning, it's cutting into the material very nicely. No tear out. All right. Okay, so right now we are about 8 millimeters into the body, something like that. We need 17. So take a look at that. We have a breakthrough. The cavity from the front is right there. That is pretty good. Very, very good. No problems right here. So let's try this cavity and get through to the front cavity over there also. Still 6 millimeters to go. Still needs to go a little deeper. It works perfect, man. What a relief. But this is great, man. This is really great. I was super nervous about that. If you like this content, please consider hitting the like button. And when you're down there, you could subscribe and hit the little bell icon as well if you want to. And one more thing, I know this is stupid, but I really love stuff like this, especially the fact that my family doesn't get it, but my guitar buddies do. And I suspect that you do too. If you like jokes like this and you know guitar player, guitar builder related jokes, please post them in the comments. I'm a big collector. And if they are good and they fit on a t-shirt, I might put them alongside this one on the merch shelf under the videos. Of course, keep it absolutely clean. Anyways, I'm super happy that I succeeded with the back cavities, but I was still super nervous about messing it all up by doing something wrong with the humbucker and the bridge pickup cavity. I have this P90 template I bought at some point. I'm going to use this. As you can see, I'm taking very light passes. I'm removing a lot of material right here, so I have to take my time with it. Not bad. And of course I need to get down to the bottom right here. So far so good. So now I'm ready to do the bridge cavity, and this is what I'm taking off. There's a little edge down here that I didn't cut. Not bad. The cavities are done. Alright, so that's it. The body is prepared now, the neck as well. I have the back cavities, I have the front for the humbucker, and even for moving the bridge a little bit. Now the next phase is to install the neck and the bridge. If you want to see that, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when that video is out. If it's out, you can just check it out right here.